Do you know the acronym LMGTFY? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And the nice part of this acronym is that it is an acronym for Let Me Google That For You. And this Let Me Google That For You acronym is maybe no longer possible in Australia in the near future. The situation in Australia is dense. The Parliament and Google Australia are threatening each other, and it all boils down to copyright. Australia wants Google to pay for showing local content. So Australia has proposed a bill which would oblige Google and Facebook and a couple of other companies to pay a license fee to Australian media companies if they share their journalistic content. And in response, Google now said, if you do that, we will block Australian users from using our search engine. So let me Google that for you, maybe a dream from the past in Australia. What is the background of that? Copyright laws are adhered all over the world, and many countries are implementing laws which would require search engines to give credit to local sources, to local content, to local knowledge. The European Union has a similar provision out, and it's possible that it will be implemented in all the different European Union member states, including Germany, in the near future. But the quick lesson learned is that the big growing conglomerate of tech companies may, on certain instances, reach a wall of the legislator who is telling the search engines and the search providers and the tech companies, we are here to protect other rights as well. For example, the rights of the creative minds, the rights of the writers, of the content providers, because they are the ones who keep Google from running. Without content, there's nothing to find. Let me Google that for you.